I hope you remember that Donald Trump is seeking for peace deal between the US and the Iran. But because Iran wants to possess nuclear weapon, that is why they are rejecting peace deal or peace deal offer Donald Trump is giving them. And I can vividly let you know that Donald Trump is not happy with this crisis between the Iran and the US. But it has been given that the US is giving Iran days to come for negotiation, but Iran declined. Now, in this video, you will hear everything Donald Trump said concerning Iran, that he is no longer interested with the peace deal with Iran because Iran are not showing interest. Watch this.
Now, Donald Trump says he can't accept Iran's latest proposal to end the war in the Middle East. He told reporters that Tehran is having problems negotiating effectively.
Proposal, please.
So they want to make a deal, but I'm not satisfied with it, so we'll see what happens. Iran wants to make a deal because they have no military left, essentially, and they want to make a deal, but I'm not satisfied with it.
Well, Sarah Smith's live in Washington for us. Given his belief the Iranians are all over the place, Sarah, what's Mr. Trump going to do to break the impasse?
Yeah, you heard him there saying that he's not satisfied with the deal and that he believes the Iranian leadership is so divided among themselves, it's almost impossible to negotiate with them. So he was asked, what other options does he have? And he said, well, he could blast them to hell, he said, meaning Iran, but went on to say he didn't want to do that. And I think that shows you that there really is very little appetite here, either from President Trump or from the American people, to resume a bombing campaign in Iran. Some new polling out today suggests that almost 2/3 of the American people think that attacking Iran was a mistake. Now, Donald Trump has actually left Washington here. He is in Florida right now, where he's visiting a retirement village and campaigning about the cost of living, which of course has been put up by the war in Iran. And he has another problem with the conflict too. It's been more than 60 days now since he launched this attack, and after day 60, he is supposed to go to Congress for authorization to carry on the war. Now, Donald Trump says because there's a ceasefire between the US and Iran at the moment, that pauses the 60-day countdown. But that's a very novel interpretation of the War Powers Act, one that a lot of people in Congress do not agree with. And so there could be a real showdown now between the President and Congress over whether or not he has the authority to carry on this war.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you heard everything Donald Trump said concerning the peace deal with Iran. And true, the Iran is really rejecting this peace deal. Drop your opinion. For more news and updates like this, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.